What are you guys doing? Looks like the princess is tackling the... Whoa! Oh, careful. Maddie, get him. Here she comes. Watch out. Whoa! Careful.
Maddie, solve all your problems with violence.
What are you doing, Jack? You hiding out? Because the princess will get you. Here she comes. Whoa! Whoa! Are you fainting, princess? No. Uh-oh. Brother's incoming. He's in camo, though, so you can't see him. Ball, Daddy? Boom.
Just threw the ball at me. Is there a ball there?
I don't know. I can't see. And she goes skipping down the hallway.
Check it out.